nicest things that happens in this job, in this profession, is when a client comes back after something's over and says, thank you. You know, that I really appreciate what you did for me. And that is really where I draw my sense of satisfaction from what I do day in and day out.
At the firm, we handle all types of commercial real estate, acquisitions, dispositions, exchanges, financing transactions, and leases as well. Any type of transaction that involves commercial real estate, we have the experience to handle.
Even though my focus is really business litigation and employment litigation, the experiences I had with other things in various courtrooms and in both Carolinas and with different agencies, I think is beneficial.
I've been involved in the construction industry really since high school.
Herb's involvement in this practice gives you instant credibility and entree in any courtroom in the state. There's not a judge, there's not a lawyer, there's not a major player in the construction industry who does not know Herb Hamilton and his reputation as a preeminent construction lawyer.
Everyone at every level involved in the construction industry we've done work for. The whole firm is set up in a way that we can take somebody from the very start of a construction project and take it from there through the design and the bidding, procurement issues, construction of the project, and then if any problems arise throughout the course of that, to deal with them, and then after the project is completed.
Well, in particular, the thing I love about real estate is that it's something tangible. It's an area of the law that when I'm done with a project, I can actually go and drive by it and see I helped bring that here.
The details really matter, and you protect your clients with the details and making sure to follow through on all of those things.
Inevitably, these transactions will involve a number of moving parts, and a lot of times there'll be problems that will arise during the course of a transaction. And one of the things that I really enjoy about my practice is solving these problems along the way and really helping the client close to a successful resolution of the case.
One of our strengths that we bring to clients is that we take our jobs personally, and I think we make every effort to get to know our clients, really putting ourselves in the position of the clients when they get here and trying to work as hard as we can to find every potential option that's available to help them out.
My goal is when I have a client in here, they have no surprises along the way. They understand if we're going to end up in litigation, they understand that it's going to take this period of time. They understand these are your likely outcomes. They understand this is what's going to take to achieve those outcomes.
The goal is always the same, which is to get them to closing and to protect their interests throughout the process, and at the end have a successful closing in which the client felt like they got a high quality of service and achieved their goals.
And that really requires us to understand the client's business goals, to understand what they're trying to achieve through the transaction, learn as much about that as we can, and really just put all the pieces together to make that happen.
I think we have a unique opportunity in Rock Hill. Rock Hill is one of the fastest growing areas in the state of South Carolina, but it has a unique opportunity of being really in the middle of everything that's going on in Metro Charlotte.
As a native of Rock Hill and as someone whose family goes back generations, it was very important to me that we bring our talents back to South Carolina and that we keep it here.
We've got an awful lot of experience and an awful lot of variety of experience that when we use a firm approach for the benefit of our clients, they get the benefit of all that experience. So when you hire our firm, you do in fact hire the whole firm, and you get the benefit of that.
We do like to succeed, and we do like to achieve goals for our clients. We want them to be happy. You know, when we're done, we want them to feel like, boy, that was good service. That was a good result. I had a good lawyer.